Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, Mr. Intajaya. I will explain about teaching English strategies to children by using songs. And my name is Nadilla, and my absen number is 15. I will discuss about teach English using the song. Learning English using the song is one of the methods or how to teach English using singing or singing as a medium. Because English is a foreign language in Indonesia, of course, the learning process requires a precise and effective approach. The success of English language learning in early childhood is strongly influenced by the ability of a teacher to present interesting and enjoyable learning activity for children. In accordance with the existence of a child who likes to sing and move, then motion and singing is one of the very prized approach if used as a means to present the process of English learning at an early age. And music presents a fun and exciting learning process for children by not leaving a good and correct English speaking role. Even children singing as first language of emotion, in which the singing of children can feel the feeling happy, funny, and amazing are touching. Twice, sound of language, because singing can be heard, can be sung, and communication. Language of motion. Motion in the hymn is short, alleged, and as state the English language song Abdul Rahman Al-Faridi can help teachers to creative and enjoyable learning. And that is all for me. Thanks for your attention, and I'm sorry if have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.